Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I'm glad you are joining me today. Before we dive into the markets, remember that Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals from X and stock recommendations. Let us jump right in. It is a semiconductor-dominated morning on X, with investors laser-focused on the memory and storage sector. Micron is leading the charge, up over 4% in the pre-market. The buzz is all about their upcoming earnings report. Market research suggests the company is poised to crush estimates due to an unrelenting shortage of high-bandwidth memory, which is essential for AI data centers. Sentiment is incredibly bullish, with some analysts suggesting the stock could see significant upside. Intel is also making major waves, up over 3%. The big story here remains the partnership with Apple for US-based chip production. While some analysts are debating whether the rally has become overextended, the market is clearly betting on the long-term foundry narrative. Similarly, SanDisk is up nearly 4%. This move follows the finalization of a share swap with Western Digital, which investors seem to view as a clean slate for the company as it doubles down on the AI-driven NAND storage boom. ST Microelectronics is also seeing green, up about 2%. Their recent guidance hike regarding data center revenue, specifically around optical components and power chips, continues to keep the stock on the radar of AI infrastructure investors. Finally, Penguin Solutions is jumping over 12%. This smaller, high-density compute player is benefiting from massive momentum as enterprises accelerate their shift toward agentic AI workloads, with the market continuing to digest their recent guidance upgrade. Turning to the broader market, we are seeing a mixed bag this morning. Futures for the S&P 500 are slightly lower, down about 0.1%, while the Dow is effectively flat. The Nasdaq is showing a bit more resilience, ticking up slightly. The main driver today is geopolitical, as markets carefully weigh progress in US-Iran negotiations. While there is optimism about a potential roadmap to a deal, the situation remains tense, which is keeping oil prices lower and investors somewhat cautious. Beyond that, the macro environment is tightening. We are waiting on PCE inflation data, and with last week's hawkish Fed meeting, market participants are increasingly nervous that an interest rate hike could be on the table as soon as October. In the AI economy, the focus is shifting from pure excitement to implementation. A new report from Thomson Reuters highlights that while 74% of professionals are using AI tools weekly, there is a massive execution gap, with billions in revenue at risk for firms that fail to integrate these technologies properly. Meanwhile, Google Cloud and Nokia have announced a major partnership to embed AI agents into network software, aiming to automate troubleshooting for telecom providers. It is a clear reminder that the next phase of the AI trade is about tangible utility and operational efficiency. Looking at stocks in focus outside of the chip space, we are keeping an eye on CRDO technology, which is up in the pre-market as analysts continue to highlight its role in AI connectivity, specifically moving from copper-based solutions into broader optical modules. It is a stock that has been gaining significant institutional attention as a key infrastructure play. As for earnings, we have a quiet day ahead. There are no major large-cap earnings reports scheduled for today. However, investors are already positioning themselves for the midweek volatility surrounding the semiconductor sector, particularly the Micron print. That covers the landscape for today. We have a lot of momentum in the chip sector, a cautious eye on geopolitics, and a growing focus on the practical application of AI. If you enjoyed this update, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to cover tomorrow. And for stock recommendations, remember to visit Fintwit.ai. I will see you back here tomorrow morning.